I don't know, you guys. I'm thinking of putting some nipple stickers on. I love sagging my pants. I can't show you guys the final look of it. I'm thinking this, you guys. Let me get a thong on. I love you, thong time.
How do I turn these lights on? What? That just blinded me, yo. Gotta put on that primer. Oh my god. Get crazy.
Oh my gosh, yo, I still have a bump on my head. I told you you felt it yesterday, right? Yeah. Oh my god. Shoot.
Let me stop.
To be honest with you, it's gonna be a completely different look. But I'm feeling like I want to be in camo today.
Okay, word. I f***ed that.
Thinking
Ah! I fuck with it though. I gotta get my other brush. I'll grab them.
I got nipple stickers. I got some Chatterbait nipple stickers.
Really?
Yeah. Should I in case? Yeah, right?
Okay.
Oh, I need to put on my my jewelry.
Hickey's on my neck, showing up to class, right?
You guys, add my Snapchat. My free Snapchat. It is... So I'm going to start by taking a sip of wine. I am using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I am using Glitter and Glow Stila. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Whoa, gosh. Just walked into a different world.
My friends think I'm crazy for liking this eyeshadow. I can't even look at myself right now. You can't look at yourself until you nearly finish your makeup process. That's how it goes. You get uglier before you get prettier. Woo! Ooh. Yo, this smells amazing. Hydrating Primer. Watermelon Burst by Ciate. Let's see how it is. Ooh, it is hydrating, you guys. It's very nice. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match. I have N1 and N3. I was in the process of getting tan, but you see, I don't know what happened. So I'm kind of mixing the tanner one that I was with the pale one that I am. I don't know if you guys could see. It's pretty. Twirl it like it's a palette. That looks nice. So I learned something new. The technique is called patting. I normally smear my foundation, and I realized, why am I smearing it? Like, you're supposed to be putting it on. So now I pat it, and it works. It gives me more coverage. Bling, bling. Alright, so I'm going to use my Airspun. I get this from Walmart for like $5. Airspun Loose Face Powder in translucent. My nipple is going to come out tonight. So I pat it again, you guys. This turned into a tutorial or a get ready with us video to get ready with me, which is fine.
Get ready with us. See, look at how much better my eyes look. Y'all was making fun of me.
I got powder all over me, you guys.
What the f?
You know what? My legs look air spun.
Yo, what is
Finished.
going on?
That's what it's called, air spun. Alright.
Oh my goodness. Alright.
Alright. So then I'm gonna get matte bronzer. Elizabeth. I forgot what this is, to be honest with you. But I will try to find it on Amazon if I got the time and link it, because it's amazing. Delicioso Pink in Milani. I'm going for that really pink Barbie look today. Oof. Coloricon. I got this from Walmart. It was like really cheap. The reason I got it is because it's in color Taurus, and I'm a Taurus, so you already know. I was like, I gotta try out this Taurus color. Use my Duo Stroke Absolute. This has two different ends to it, a thinner one and a thicker one. So I start with the thick, and I'm just gonna do a little eyeliner action. Okay, and then I'm gonna come in with my smaller end. I know the eyeshadow looked crazy when I first did it, but now, like, now how does it look? It's shiny, like my personality. I love this mascara, you guys. It's called CoverGirl Super Sizer Fibers in Very Black. This is amazing. This makes your eyelashes just look so long. Can you pass me that on the floor?
How'd that happen?
Runaway sponge.
See, my eyes look so much better.
I got a black dot under my eye now. Ah! God. When you mess up on your makeup, this is what we do. Well, that didn't work too well. So I wanted to talk about what just happened to me outside. I took my dog out before this video. I saw these little kids. They're like 6. So I stop and I talk to them. Okay, so the girl is white. And then the little kid was black. And the reason I say this is because my dog is brown and white. She's a beagle. The girl's petting Luna. And then he says, in the most innocent, sweetest way, "Does the dog like brown people?" And I was like, it touched me right in the heart. I was like, oh my god, of course, honey.
Duh.
She doesn't see your color. Go ahead, pet her. And so he starts petting her. The girl goes, oh yeah, she likes my color because I'm white, right? My white color. And I said, she's brown and white. So she likes brown and white people. So go ahead and pet that dog. But it was such a humbling moment for me is the reason I'm saying it. Because I was like so humbled. And it's like, how can one be racist after that, you know? After that one little fiasco. Like he was so... Why did he say something like that? Who's telling him dogs don't like brown people? Why does he think that? Luna loves both of them. She just loves any type of person.
Guaranteed you can handle it till the 3rd day. And if you're playing games, I'm gonna make it alley. Hickey's off my neck, showing up to class late.
I just put some black under my eyes, and then I'm going to go in with my Mary Lou, the best highlighter ever. The Bomb. It's literally called The Bomb.
You really think that, huh?
It came like this. It's crushed. I was pissed. So I just go in the corner like that. The tip of my nose. I'm just trying to shine bright at night. And then I just put a little bit on top of my lip. So then I'm going to do my eyebrows with my Anastasia dip dye in blonde. The only thing I do with my eyebrows is I just do the ends. I put the highlighter underneath my arch that I just did too.
Oh, slide me some of that.
Yes.
Right off the gold nose.
I'm telling you, it makes you look, hold on. Ooh. Should I put on some nipple stickers though? Should I do it? You gotta come here and take a photo with me so I can use it as the main picture.
For what?
Just sit here and look good.
Time to go crazy.
Go follow her on her platforms, Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud. What's your name?
The SoundCloud, look up XxTina.
And who is your inspiration?
Me.
Bye, guys.